Hi, are you ready to start coding with Python? You might have already run some Python programs, but today we're going to talk about a special tool called a Python IDE, or a development environment. An IDE is a special tool that makes Python coding easier and more fun. So what is this IDE stuff all about? Or why would you use it? An IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Now, a lot of complex words, but basically it's a software app or just an app that lets you write Python code. And it's a special app because it makes writing Python code easier. So you can use an IDE if you want to write code faster and with fewer mistakes. And it has all kind of tricks to make you make less mistakes and make programming easier. So what is a Python IDE? It's a special kind of app or special kind of software to write and run Python code. Just like if you were to draw something, you might have a drawing notebook where you put your drawings. If you write things, you might have a special notebook for your stories. And a Python IDE is like a special notebook for writing code. It's more than a text editor, because a text editor is just black and white screen, for example, Notepad, and you can just type code there. But it's not really made for writing code. It's the wrong tool for the job. Just like when you have a car wheel, you can't use it on a bicycle. Or maybe you can, but it's not very practical. And so there are special software created for programming. And those are Python IDEs. So many different programs for that. And we'll take a look at some of these programs. And you'll see some of them on the screen here, like Spider, PyCharm, which is a very popular one. You have Eclipse here, Anaconda, and many different IDEs. Now, one of the simple IDEs is IDLE. It usually comes with Python. So it's a very simple IDE. You can use this IDLE program to write and run code. As you see on the right there, the person wrote some code here and it got some output. So you can use it, and you'll see it also has some coloring here, so it makes it a bit easier to read than just black and white screen. So IDLE is a great choice if you are just starting out with Python and want to just try out some simple code. If you want to make more complex programs, that as we are doing in this course, then you are better off downloading some other IDE, for example Visual Studio Code or any of the others that supports many more features. So Visual Studio Code is another IDE. You can use it to write Python code. This is also available for free. So all of these IDEs are available for free. You can download them from the internet and try them out on your own and see what do you like most. So this one has a lot of features. It has this coloring feature again called syntax highlighting. So depending on the function of the code, it has different colors. It can work with multiple files. You can see you can plot inside the IDE as well. And overall, it's just a very nice tool for writing code. But there are many IDEs available, so it really depends on what you prefer. So when you choose an IDE, think about what you use it for. Is it very, very simple? Maybe IDLE is enough. But more complex programs could be Visual Studio Code or PyCharm or any of the other programs. You can try them out on your own because you can download them for free, and it really depends on your own preferences. But whatever IDE you choose, you're on your way to becoming a great Python coder, and have fun. Happy coding.